Teacher Joy's video, and welcome back to my art and craft class. Yes, our team discussion is about food for the farm animals. Yes, the farmer needs to give food for the farm animals. And today, this is what we're going to make. Yes, the horse who's sitting on the grass. Yes, some of the farm animals are eating grass for their daily life. Let's see. Yes, horse is eating grass. What else? What do you think? Is it pig? I don't think so. Yes, sheep is eating grass. And cow is eating grass too. Alright everyone, I hope you will enjoy the video that I made and the steps how to make this art and craft. Here are the materials that we need to prepare: the paper, glue stick, scissors, and color pencils, and this grass pattern. Okay, let's start now. First, let's color the horse with brown. Now, you can also color with black, the mane and the tail too with black. Color it nicely, don't go out of the line. Now let's color the flowers, the leaf, color the flower, color the sun, the butterflies. And now let's color the grass with green. Alright, you're almost done. Color it nicely. And once you're done, you can cut the grass pattern and you may paste it. Now you can paste it. Now, paste the picture on a paper as a frame. Yes, you're done. Good job, everyone. Okay, everyone, that's our art and craft for today. And I hope you enjoy it and you can practice your coloring skill and your cutting skill as well. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.